Hello everyone, welcome back to another video talking geeky stuff, and today we're back to unboxing. Today's one is going to be Redmi Pad SE 8.7. So I just arrived today, but I had to pick it up because I wasn't in. Yeah, it's a bit of a hassle. Anyway, this one, then I got the case with it, and like most Chinese companies, you get a freebie. So I got the 4GB of RAM and 64GB of storage. It was originally $119.99, and I was an early bird, so I put a deposit of £1, and I ended up getting total £20 voucher. So I got this for £99 technically, and you get a free case as usual and earbuds. And yeah, I got tons of earbuds now. I mean, let me know. Should I do a video of all the earbuds I've got? To be honest, I didn't even use them all yet. So another earbuds added to my collection. Just so you know, I'm not sponsored by Xiaomi, OnePlus or Nubia by any means. I wish I was. But if you want to, please sponsor me. I'm not asking for no money. Just a like, subscribe. That will definitely help my channel. Yes, unboxing. So I actually can't remember what color I got. To be fair, I just did it when I was working on my phone. So I think it's a kind of graphite grey, I think, but I'm not 100. But somehow I think it's a blue one as well. But seriously, I'm just getting old, so I can't remember half of the stuff. So as usual, the typical wrapping by Xiaomi, nice material. Put this on the side. We find out the color later on. And here's the, it's quite light, so I actually don't think there's a charger myself, to be as you can see. Cables. What is this one? Is it A to C? And paper, and it's got inside, you got the SIM tray, because I actually believe, to be fair, I just bought this out of a whim. Because I ain't had a 8-inch or under 9-inch tablet since the, oh, what was the last one I had? Oh man, it's been a long time. Anyway, it's been a long time since I had an 8-inch or under 9 inches. So this one, you got a SIM tray for the memory stick or SD card. Can't even put back. I'm gonna put this aside. Up to 2 terabytes. Well then, so I actually think this is a great one, but I don't know. I actually forgot to tell you, man. This happens when you get old. You tend to forget things. Because I order so much stuff, you do forget a little bit of things. So, yeah, you can probably see it's a graphite grey. There you go. There it is. Ooh, nice material. Let me just take this off. Just put this here. Yeah, it's got, you can hear it. It's kind of like got a texture to it. You've got the camera, 2 cameras, a flash there, sorry, just 1 camera. You've got even the rim, you can see that. You can see there's a groove. You've got the Redmi. Nice. Actually pretty cool. The front here. Here you are. You've got 1 speaker grill here. I think this is the IR blaster. Dolby, what was that? I can't even see. Dolby. Oh my god, I need glasses. Well, it's got Dolby something. At the bottom, there you go. It does have a headphone jack, which is great. USB-C. Another what's that? Speaker grill or speakers. The top here, you got the volume on rocker, and you got the on button here. The other side, SIM tray. Oh, it's pretty cool. So this is like his older brother, which I got. It's the 12-inch Redmi Pro. It has the SIM tray, or the SIM tray, the SD card tray, and 3.5mm headphone jack. Jesus Christ, I'm losing my words. Yeah, nice. It's feels great in the hand. That's what she said. Sorry, poor attempt of humor there. Apologize for that. So this is really cool. So what I'm gonna do, let's go through some specs. I have it on my computer so you can hear my mouse. So it's 8.8 millimeters thick, weighs 373 grams. It's using a MediaTek Helios G85. It's a 12 nanometer. GPU is an ARM Mali, is that it? G52MC2. So this version is a 4 gigabytes of RAM and 64 gigabytes of storage. You can get a 4 gigs 128 or 6 gigs 128. This is using LDDPR4 times X. This is using eMMC 5.1 storage. So it's not the SSD as the top quality ones. Up to 2 terabytes of SD card. And yep, 8.7 inch screen, 5.3 aspect ratio. 5.3, okay, that's cool. 90 hertz refresh rate, brightness 500 nits, outdoors max bright is 600 nits, LCD screen resolution 1340 times 800. So it's not the highest, anything like that, but for this size, ain't so bad. Yeah, so what else is there? It's a camera. You got the rear camera is 8 megs, 1080p, 30 frames per second. Front camera 720, 30 frames per second, 5 megs. Pretty cool. Battery 6,650 milliamp battery and supports up to 18 watts fast charge. It's a USB-C. Doesn't tell me which version it is. I just assume it's just a charging. It doesn't project on your monitor. There you go. Pretty cool. What am I do? Oh wait a minute. Let me know. I am gonna unbox the free case as well. Let's do that and see how that looks. It's not your usual case that kind of has a flip stand that comes with, you know, everything. This one is quite unusual. I saw it. Let's see what it's saying. The usual stuff, the little foam here, and it's got that kind of things like that. You just snap it on. Pretty simple. Oh, it looks, it's quite snug. It doesn't add much bulk to it either, which is cool, because some of my cases, especially the Tech Class one, when you put the case on, it did add some, you can feel the weight. It doesn't add much to it. It's nice and snuggle. Yes, and that's the reason why I got grey, because I knew the casing was black, and besides, my 12.1 inch was actually a blue. So, and you hold it typical. I never actually had one of these cases before. I've always had the flip one, so you can hold it like that. Of course, there you go, pretty cool. And if done right, you can put that as a back, and it becomes a stand. I mean, it doesn't have any, not like a kickstand or any of those, which is just got one level you can't go on. But you know what? It's for free, and yeah, I'm gonna use this because I've got so many tablets now, so, and to help my channel grow. But mainly, I'm using this to read books as well, because I've got loads of books, like other tablets for like movies, my tech glasses for my comics, my OnePlus 2 is for kind of work when I'm traveling about. Yeah, so I'm gonna do. Let me transfer the data, put my details in, and I get back with a quick overview about this. Again, catch you all in about an hour. Take it easy. See you then. Welcome back. Yep. Set everything up, transfer the data, use the same wallpaper than like my Redmi Pro 12 inch. Yeah, pretty cool. So what I'm gonna do, let's go into some, I use Nova Launcher for this, just like my phones. You can see, nice and simple. I like to have digital buttons like that. Swipe up for your apps and put it on 90 Hertz. Okay, and there's still some, I'm still downloading. Oh cool, it's finished, because it was a bit laggy because I was setting this, I was playing around with it. Okay, I'm gonna just turn this up to, you can see it's 90 Hertz. It's pretty smooth. Remember, this is only 4 gigabytes of RAM and 64 gigs of storage. eMMC, so it's not the fastest as normal as SSD. As you can see here, I'm using HyperOS 1.0.10. It's you can see here, 64 gigabytes of storage. I've used 25.8. Is Android 14. with HyperOS over it. Yeah, pretty cool. Usual stuff, I won't bore you, really. Everybody knows about this. It's got 60 Hz and 90 Hz to choose. There's no 30, and you've got automatic. You can automatically switch them back. Well, I just leave it on 90 Hz, and I put my pretty bright, as you can see here. This is probably what, 85%, give or take. You've got dark mode, light mode as usual, and I just prefer using light mode. Okay, then what I'll do, let's check out the sound quality, and I'm playing my cats and dogs I love, which I like. This stand, as you can see here, isn't the best, because whenever you move it, it pushes it back in and it kind of falls off. But hey, I might just get another one of those. I'm so used to those flip ones that, that flips on the back here. Might get another one sooner or later. So let's see how the sound is. It's only got 2 speakers. It's actually quite loud. I didn't think it's going to be that loud, but it got tingy. You can hear it kind of sound a bit tingy. Bass wasn't that good. It got a bit kind of noisy. So it's pretty loud, but I didn't expect much from just 2 speakers. Pretty cool. It's very light. So far I've been using it. It doesn't really... sometimes you hold a tablet, especially those 12, 13 inches, your arm can get a bit tiring after a few minutes. So this hasn't. I actually quite like the bezels. It's a shame it's not, because the top and the bottom chin, it's definitely a bit thicker than the side ones. Kind of, I don't mind it too much, to be fair, because I'm going to watch it like this. So I got this, like I said, for reading books, also for my treadmill. Well, technically it's a walking pad, because I've got bad knees. I don't really run that much more. And on the front here, some of you might have seen it, it has about this much space, and you're supposed to put your phone in, but phone is a little bit too small, and I usually use my 12-inch tablet like this, and I watch YouTube at the top, and it's still not the best, because it's kind of almost flipping that way. So now I can actually put this tablet like this. I can watch YouTube in a full 8.7-inch screen, so I'm going to use it for that. But the main reason is to read books, really. It's been a long time. Yeah, so I'm using Picture View. This is George R.R. Martin. I'm reading. I'm going to start reading Game of Thrones. So here you go. It's actually pretty good size, as you can see. And I chose this background because, especially when you're reading at night and you've got lights on, the black and white kind of contrast. And after, when you finish reading a few pages, and you look over from your left and right, you see kind of white patches. It's weird. So I like this kind of setup. Yeah, nice. Yeah, that's it really. That's a quick overview. Let me know any questions down in the comments, and I'll try my best to answer them. I mean, there's really not much. I'm not going to play games. Remember, this is not the fastest tablet. It's just using a MediaTek, so it's not like a Snapdragon or anything like that. I did. There was some kind of like lags, but then again, I just put it to because it was installing all the apps in the background as well. But it does its job, and it seems to be a lot smoother now. And 90 Hz seems to be the nice sweet spot. Yeah, whoops. I'll open it up. So all in all, so far, I'm actually liking it. It's very light. Actually, it has a nice weight to it. It has a nice grip to it. Like I said, the casing has a really good feel, but I'm not sure about this. That's all. It's just a bit. I might just see if there's any third party, the one I'm just folding up. So yeah, so this is reading books, and for my walk pad, I just pull it here and watch some YouTube while I do about an hour's walk at home. Anyway, like I said, any questions, let me know. I try to answer them as much as I can. Yeah, thank you, and please subscribe, like if you can. help the channel. Appreciate that. So appreciate that very much, and thank you. Until next time, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, wherever you are in the world, and please do stay safe. Goodbye now.